Well, there's 12 people that know, and there's 12 people who exactly know what your case is worth. And those are the 12 people that end up sitting on your jury if your case can't resolve. Insurance companies, lawyers who are trying to evaluate these cases are just basically estimating what those 12 people are going to do. And the way that we do that is we look to the past. Very rarely am I presented with a situation that is unique. Most people have common experiences, and the issues that we see in auto accidents have happened for years and years and years. We look to past juries to see or predict what we think will happen in your particular case. Juries typically award in a particular case, then we can sit down and educate you so that you can make the decision that's best for you and your family. Usually when we're talking about jury verdicts with the client, it's because we've gotten the final offer from the insurance company. And we've sat down with the client, we've explained what the offer means to them. And by that, I mean, we've sat down and said, look, after everybody gets paid in this case, here's how much money you are going to walk away with. And if we were to take this case to court, this is how much money we would have to win in court for you to end up with the same amount of money. And I'll just use a simple example as to what I mean by that. If I were to call you and say, look, they've offered $10,000 and they've agreed to pay back all your medical expenses, my fee in that situation is a third. Usually if we haven't started a lawsuit, we've spent a couple $100 working the case up for settlement, and what that means is that a $10,000 offer would result in the client ending up with about $6,400, $6,500 money in their pocket. But if I were to take that same case to trial, I know that I have to hire doctors, and I know that I have to pay them to come into court to testify on your behalf, and the cost would go up. So to try a simple auto accident case, we will spend $3,000 to $4,000. And that means that a person who goes in front of a jury and is awarded $15,000 or $16,000 would end up with $6,400 or $6,500. So a $10,000 settlement is equal or the same as going to court and having the jury award you $15,000 or $16,000. And my job with that particular client would be to sit down and say, look, here's what our chances are. I think I can get you more money. I don't think I can get you more money. We're kind of within the ballpark of what the case is worth. And the client is the one that decides in our office. And that's the thing that's really important, distinguishes us from other law firms, is that we're not going to twist your arm to settle. What we're going to do is educate you and let you make the decision that's best for you and your family.